Since GST came into effect, there have been several disputes regarding its implementation, rates, refunds, etc. Also, due to the lack of specialized branches, all the GST-related matters were being referred to high courts, for which the taxpayers faced many challenges. To address these issues, the GST Council approved the formation of the GST Appellate Tribunal, that is also called as GSTAT. The GST Appellate Tribunal represents a specialized authority formed to resolve GST-related disputes at the appellate level. It will be the forum of second appeal under GST laws and is the first common forum of dispute resolution between the center and the states. It is a common forum to ensure uniformly in dispute redressals and quicker resolution of cases. The principal bench of the GST Appellate Tribunal is located in New Delhi. The GST Appellate Tribunal composition includes a national bench situated in New Delhi and constituting the president, a judicial member, and technical members, one from the state, the another from the center. Further, if you can see the GST Appellate Tribunal rules, powers, and duties. Number 1, the tribunal is not bound by the Code of Civil Procedures 1908, but it follows the principles of natural justice and has the authority to regulate its own procedure. 2, the tribunal possesses powers of similar to the civil code under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 for matters such as summoning individuals, demanding document production, and receiving evidence as affidavits. Number 3, the tribunal can re-question public records, issue commissions for witness examinations, and dismiss or decide representations for a default. Number 4, the orders issued by the tribunal can be enforced as if they were court decrees, with the tribunal having the authority to seek execution within its local jurisdiction. Number 5, all proceedings before the tribunal are considered judicial proceedings, and the tribunal is deemed a civil court for specific legal purposes, aligning with sections 193, 228, and 196 of the relevant legal codes. If you can see the members' eligibility, the president must be a Supreme Court judge or have served the High Court as the Chief Justice to be considered. Number 2, the judicial member must be a High Court judge or has served as an additional district judge or district judge for a period of 10 years. The technical member from the center must be an Indian Revenue Service member belonging to Group A or must be a member of All India Service with 3 years of experience in administering GST in the central government. Also, the technical member from the center should have completed 25 years in Group A services. The technical member from the state must be a state government officer or All India Service officer with the rank above Additional Commissioner of Value Added Tax. Also, the rank should be above the first appellate authority. The technical member from the state must have completed 25 years in Group A services or equivalent and 3 years administering GST or finance and taxation in the state government. The maximum age for the GST Appellate Tribunal members is 70 for the president, 65 for the judicial members and state presidents, and 65 and for the technical members at the state and central level. And if you can see the appointment committee of the cabinet has approved the appointment of Sanjaya Kumar Mishra, the former Chief Justice of the Jharkhand High Court, as the president of the GST Appellate Tribunal for 4 years. The president was selected based on the recommendations of the Search Cum Selection Committee headed by the Chief Justice of India. The other members of the judicial member and the member from the state and the central government was recruited by the central government directly. This is the composition and this is the selection. So the GST Appellate Tribunal, it creates a mark of history because since last 7 years, more than 10,000 plus cases are pending in front of the different high courts and the Supreme Courts. So by creation of this tribunal, the workload on these high courts and Supreme Courts will reduces. We hope that the GST Appellate Tribunal will continue its good work and is able to answer many questions as raised by the legal expert in the tax related matters.